less than civilization itself, with all that that means. Even if we could abandon them, which of course we can't, we would be fools to do so. It would come off infinitely poor. There are siren voices that call us to do exactly that. Certainly to abandon clarity and precision, which in any case importantly depend on both brain hemispheres. And I want to emphasize that I'm passionately opposed to them. We need the ability to make fine discrimination and to use reason appropriately. These contributions need to be made in the service of something else. That only the right hemisphere and brain alone are destructive. And right now, they may be bringing us close to forfeiting the civilization they helped to create. So thinking is prior to language. What language contributes is to firm up certain particular ways of seeing the world and give fixity to them. This has its good side and its bad. Aids consistency of reference over time and space. But it can exert also a restrictive force on what and how we think. It represents a more fixed version of the world. It shapes rather than grounds our thinking. We have to be constantly vigilant, undermine language as a tool, undermine our understanding. Celebrity is a mask against intimate things. Lock up your lifeless if you like, but there is no game, no law, no bond that you can set upon the freedom of my mind. Literature is strewn with the wreckage of those who have minded beyond reason the opinion of others. A poet here is different from somebody who simply writes poetry. A poet is loyal to his own experience and does not write about things outside his own understanding. Whereas something connects poetry simply puts together sentences, whose words he ranges in separate lines. Without fresh colours, without luster, without images. Where is a poem supposed to go? There is a destination